Very simple.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Naivasha, gavana wa kaunti ya Nakuru Lee Kinyanjui ni ateterithitie kuga mihango ya waki wa kiharo kia ndege mwena wa Lanet kaunti nino utanyitwo kuhuthira makiria ma milioni 450 kuria megwaka kilomita 1.7 ikereka-ini ria mbere.
Everyone makes money.
Mihango ya waki wa kiharo giki ugukorwo gicunjini kia mugunda wa eka 700 kuria matanyite gwaka thukuru wa mathomo ma ndege, akiuga undu uyu ni ukugacirithio thii wa na mbere mwena uyu.
We are at the final stages of the design for our airport in Lanet. We also have provision to do a phase 2 that would go up to 3.1 kilometers so that we can be able to get the jet category and the others.
Agitogeri tacukia riri Kinyanjui ni ongereire kuga ni mweke mwega wa kuguciriria agendi guku bururi-ini, akiuga bururi wa Kenya ni wandikithirie makiria ma agendi milioni 2 mwaka muhituku, undu uria ukuhotithia Kenya gucindana kiwonjoria na mabururi ma nanja ta Afrika ya muhuro na Misri.
Tunisia, Morocco and all the others. I think we must have a radical way of changing how things are running here. Currently we have about 300 million that has been set for purposes of developing these sites, and we believe that plus much more can help us create Naivasha as a better destination.
Oho ni athingatite kuga ni mararutithania wira na thirikari nene niguo gutambura icigo ingi iria ni kionereria kiega gia kuguciriria agendi niguo kurehe uthii wa na mbere guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.
Program. I want to give you the program by 3:30 million.